UI techniques to prevent wrong patient selection. While placing order for patients using a computer screen, clinicians often inadvertently select the wrong patient due to a poorly designed system. This can lead to severe problem and preventing this can be challenging. Say I'm a clinician and I'm going to order a test for my patient, Josh Drissel, using a typical computerized ordering system. I select his name from a list. I go to the order page and I give him order for blood test. Let's do this for patient Rachel Evans. I click her name and I go to the order page. Let's do the same thing again, this time for patient Fred Gomez. I select his name from a list, I go to his order page and I give him a CT scan. But I just realized that I'm at the wrong patient page. I am at patient William Altman's page. Probably it happened for mouse sleep. So how do I know that I'm at the wrong patient page? And moreover, how do I know that I'm looking for a correct patient? We demonstrate several improvement suggestions using our prototype. Highlighting the row under the cursor can help me prevent those mouse sleep errors. Say I'm at my desk and trying to find the patient from a list. I just got interrupted by a phone call and forgot which patient I was looking for. In such cases, having the patient's photo and other information like room number, admission date, these can help me remember which patient I was looking for. Instead of scrolling down the big list, it will help if I can search with the patient's name or ID. This will show me only the patient I'm looking for, leaving less chance of mouse sleep error. Sorting the list will also help to find a patient quickly. For example, I'm looking for an older patient. If I sort by age, it will immediately give me the patients I'm looking for. If I'm new in this hospital and I forgot which wing the patient was in, but I remembered that the location was in cardiology department. So now I can view the floor plan and I see that the cardiology department is wing A. I select wing A from there and I see only the patient from that wing. Now assume I only remember the patient is a woman and she had muscle pain. So I group by gender. Now I see the only female patient with muscle pain is Emma Johnson. A few more techniques can also help the selection. For example, under long work hour, it's tiring to read small text. So increasing the text can help readability. We can also increase the row height using some keyboard shortcut. This will make less sleep errors because usually we tend to click in the middle of the target. We can also reduce the mouse sleep error by having a gap between the rows. Now this gap area is unclickable, so for a little mouse sleep, it will not select the adjacent rows. But what if I get confused between patient's name? The system can show notification if similar names exist in the records to avoid confusion and make us aware of this. Here we have Josh DiMassio and Josh Drissel. So the system shows an icon showing that there are several patients with similar name, and hovering the icon will show me the names of those patients. I can highlight those names. I can also group those names together. So far we saw how to make the selection process better. But how can I verify that I selected the right patient? The verification can be in 3 stages. First, highlight on departure. Only the selected row is visible and the other rows disappear. Let's do this again. The second technique is highlight on arrival. When I arrive at the patient's page, only the header is visible with name and other information. A few moments later, everything else appears. Let's see it again. The third technique is to use an animated transition between the previous 2 stages. After selection, the selected name lingers on the screen and then animates to the top of the patient page. Let's see it again. Now see all these 3 stages together. Now a faster version. Having the patient's photo in the order page also helps me remember which patient I was looking for. Now maybe I opened two patients' records at the same time and mixed up between them. So before placing the order, a tooltip can show me the patient's name and picture to remind me which patient I'm working with. The Submit button itself can have the patient's picture and name. Another option would be to place the button near the header.